How's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We got a bathtub backed up, toilet backed up. I actually just vacuumed out the water, so we're gonna take the toilet off, snake it out, and hopefully everything's good. Now we're trying to hope to get it cleared before it starts backing up again. If it does start backing up, we'll have to wait for the super to bring the vacuum back. We are on the ground floor of an apartment building, so there could be a lot of water coming out of here. Just like that. I'm gonna let you guys see what calcium in the drain looks like. So see that buildup on the side there? That's all calcium. What I'm gonna do. What's up?
Good.
Good now. You want to be on YouTube?
No.
No?
I have a Facebook account, not YouTube.
Put you on YouTube.
Oh, that's right. Right.
What do you think? Did you pull anything out?
Ano pangalan nito? Ha? Ano pa? Oh, sir, what's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Jason.
Jason?
Yeah.
Oh, I think I meet you in Victoria Park. Yeah.
Hey, remember I told you I'm not going to that unit.
Yeah. Yeah, you know the
301.
Keurig. The Keurig, yeah. Ano yung mas pagdalo ko lang? Kahit kayong puro Keurig. Ayun.
Ako dapat practice okay now? Ray.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Everything's connected.
Yes, sir.
So who are we blaming? You?
No.
Who?
You.
Me? Oh, that makes sense. How are you guys doing? Everything good? Always.
Dito?
Huh?
Yes.
Yeah. You want me to stay longer?
No.
No?
You want some coffee?
Huh? He doesn't want me to stick around.
Bukas na yan. Hindi, sadya ng tawag. Pwede pala yung lagyan ng ano? Silicone? May ano eh, may dito lumulus sa tanghangin eh. Hangin ha? Galing din eh.
Did you go again, Victoria Park 301? That's a 301, right?
Yeah. No, I won't go.
No? last time I got a call again on that unit.
Yeah.
Then I tell my, you know, Melinda, right?
Yeah.
I spoke to her, I said, you know, the contractor, they don't want to go there. You know, much better tell the top, you know, the tenant and find, you know, other contractor or another.
Yeah, that's what happens. There's a couple reasons why, right?
Yeah.
If it's stuck inside the drain and I got to work my tools and it comes out, and what if happens if I get pricked? And then it's like, what happens if I'm working like this? And she already knew we got in an argument. Well, she comes up behind me and stabs me with a syringe, right? I don't know. I'm not putting my life
Exactly.
for
That's
what?
why,
$100
me-
that I'm not even getting. 20, 30 bucks I'll get.
You know, me too. I never go there.
Yeah, no, I don't blame you. You just never know who you're dealing with, right?
Yeah, I think that they're, you know, they sell drugs or I don't know.
You got to change this.
Which one?
Pills.
Oh, yeah. Not working? Ako lang.
You want to go check the other toilet?
Okay.
You want to go check the other toilet?
Okay.
So it's Jay, that drain guy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Trogna.